So one more time.
And action!
Why are you taking part in this project?
We're taking part because it's helped us in school and we need to improve our behaviour and help our anger management in school.
It's helping me keep fit and it's working on my discipline and I'm enjoying it a lot.
The majority of these boys are on the project because they're slightly disengaged with school and certain subjects within school, so they were identified at the beginning of the year and I've been working with them just to get them re-engaged in school itself, but also a couple of them had a few clashes with certain teachers, certain subjects, so just to repair those relationships with the staff and to get them a bit more engaged in school.
The reason we offer this project at Cantonian, now we've seen a gap with young people with their resilience, their health and their social lives. So in combination with the school, we picked 10 young people to come to this project.
Yeah, my mental well-being has improved since Dean recommended it to me because it gives me something to look forward to every week.
Yeah, my fitness has improved a lot when I play football.
Yeah, it's improved massively because it's just helped us get our anger out.
Yeah, I've seen a big improvement. When they first come, there was one or two of them that they just didn't want to be here, you know. Now I know that they can't wait to get here. And the improvement on the fitness side, mental side as well, you know, it's gone twofold.
I find it very intense and I find it very enjoyable that we're able to just do it without getting made fun of on your ability.
Yeah, I think they're very fun.
It can train you physically, mentally, and it gives you a chance to stand up for yourself in the other world.
Last week I did a session within the school and I had a number of girls come up to me and say, have you got a girls group? You know, they're really keen, they brothers box, but they're really keen to actually be part. And we've also got, there are pupils, girls as well as boys, that are slightly disengaged with school, so I'd definitely be able to fill a girls group, you know.
Do you think there should be more of these projects for young people and why?
100%, because if people, like, for example, getting bullied or have something not to look forward to or think they're just nothing in their life, they can come to boxing or any other social activity.
Yeah, I think there should be a lot of them because it's helped me a lot and I think it will help everyone else as well, especially people like us.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes, if we can get the funding, it should be, because I've seen a big improvement with young people by coming to this project.
Definitely, you know, some of them, you know, it's not for them. You know, they're not into their sports side, but some of them they grasp it with both hands. You know, I've got two out of this class that have actually joined my other class, and one of them has actually he's had one competition for me as well.